Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have another unboxing and update with a little bit of difference. That difference is there are three of them, and this is the house of Weil, or brand of Weil or Wheel or Wheel, whatever you want to call it. It's a bit of weird spelling, but let's say Weil, okay, for the sake of this video. So this brand is been making fragrances for a very long time, and for what you pay for the price, they are very good. They are not groundbreaking. It's not a top-notch quality. Obviously, under £20, you don't expect that. But again, for the ratio between what you pay and what you get is very, very good. So I unboxed the Weil Homme Blue a few days ago, and it was a bit of a surprise because this one is actually not blue at all. It's very, very spicy fragrance, and yeah, very spicy, quite sweet, quite floral, woody, but the main character is a spice. So it was a bit of a surprise, and I can tell you that the longevity and projection was good. 6 to 8 hours with 2 hours of good projection. It's one of those fragrances that is good for all year round. Anybody can rock it, apart from it smells a little bit mature. Yeah, it is reminiscent of some of the 80s and 90s fragrances, so it is a little bit on the classic and the mature side. But I think it's one of those fragrances that anybody can rock. This one is similar to, somebody mentioned that is similar to Cartier Declaration or Declaration, and I agree to it. Is 90% similar to it. The only thing is this one is a little bit less floral. Okay, so the Cartier has got a big floral, especially rose notes into it. This one, the rose and the florals are a little bit subdued, so that's the only difference. But 90% of this smell and the character is similar to Cartier Declaration or Declaration, and it is quite manly, it is masculine, it is spicy, opens up with a big citrus, and the citrus is orange. It's a bitter orange, okay, so it's orange and lemon, but it's a bitter one. Okay, so bitter orange, it's like a little bit of burnt to it, and then in the mid is dominated by spices. The cardamom is big. It's a little bit of black pepper in there. There are some other subtle spice, and also some subtle herbal notes like clary sage is in there, and that gives it a herbal feel and a bit of greenness as well. And then when it goes to the end of this fragrance, is ended up on the woody and a little bit of vetiver, which makes it again a little bit green. So overall, it's a very nice fragrance. It is for the price under £20. Again, very, very good. The only thing is, it's not easy to find. I was online to see if I can find it, and it is not easy to find. Maybe in few weeks, few months time, it will come back. But don't quote me on that. I'm not sure. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is same brand, and this is Weil Homme, and this is a silver one. So this one I unboxed it many months ago, and I just didn't have time to give you the update. But this one is very similar to Dior Eau Sauvage, the original 1960s. It's very uplifting. It's very lemony. It's very citrus dominated. Yes, citrus dominant fragrance. It's got some greenness to it. It's got some aromaticness to it, and also it's got a little bit of spiciness to it. absolutely gorgeous. So it's very very similar to the original Dior Eau Sauvage, not Sauvage, yeah, Eau Sauvage. So this is 1960s. It's very classic. It's very manly. It's very classy. It's one of those upper class smells. Okay, and this one is very very close to it again. 90% similar to that one. Wow, it's gorgeous. It's very beautiful for all year round. It's very nice to put going out. It's dress up, dress down, any occasion, any season. The only thing with the age, I would say again 25 and up, because this is again on the classic, on the classy, on the mature side, similar to the first one, the blue. Okay, so but again, highly recommended. This one, these two, I'll highly recommend them for under £20. That is very very good value for money. For 100 ml Eau de Perfume, they both Eau de Perfume, they both go 6 to 8 hours with 2 hours of very good projection. Okay guys, let's go to the today's unboxing and first impression, and this one is against the same brand, Weil or Wheel, and this one is gold, so Wheel Gold. Similar packaging, similar bottle, which are quite nice again for the price you pay. And sorry about the noise, let's go and see. Okay, so again, very simple packaging, but the main thing is protects the bottle. Alright, well, let's see. Okay, so it is gold. This is blingy blingy goldy, and so the juice is golden, and the cap is golden, and the atomizer is golden. And let's go with the atomizer. Good atomizer. Okay, so how is Weil Homme Gold? Wow, it's filling the room. Alright, first sniff, first impression. Sweet! Wow, it's very very sweet. So as he says, gold is very sweet. It's very ambery at the moment. It's very vanillic. So it's vanillic, ambery, sweet, spicy, a little bit of leather. Wow, I didn't expect that. Again, similar to the blue one, which was the silver one, is you can see some correlation between the name and the, you know, the perfume, the scent. But with the blue one was completely surprising. It wasn't any connection with blue. And with the gold one, again, is surprising because it's nothing to do with, I mean, yeah, to some extent, but not really. I like it. It's very fruity. So in the beginning, it's got a big citrus like mandarin, and also it's got some sweet, fruity like pineapple. When I mention pineapple, some people think immediately of what's his name, Creed Aventus. No, it's nothing like Creed Aventus, okay? But it's quite sweet, tarty, a little bit of tropical fruitiness into it. It's got, as I said, a big mandarin in the beginning, which is giving it that tarty, sweet fragrances feel to it, and also that pineapple giving it even more sweetness. So it's quite sweet in the beginning, and it's very vanillic, and it's quite leathery. It's very very nice. Again, for under £20 for 100 ml EDP. Wow! And I'm expecting to be performing similar to this first two, which are, you know, 6 to 8 hours, 2 hours projection, which is for EDP is quite respectable, and especially for under £20. So it reminds me of Paco Rabanne 1 million, but not exactly. It's got that backbone of 1 million, but it's quite a little bit on the fresher side, and also it's a little bit brighter than 1 million Paco Rabanne. But it's got the similar character or similar DNA or similar genre, okay? So it's quite close to 1 million right now, but as I said, a little bit brighter, a little bit happier, a little bit easy going on the nose. But I will let you in the next video, I'll let you know the performance, the development and things like that. But right now, on the first impression, yes, it is very very nice. I like it very much. I like the free and I think the three of them are doing very well, good job, especially for what you pay. The ratio for what you pay and what you get is very, very good. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, hit that bell icon, and share it with others. That would be very, very nice of you. It would help me to expand my channel. I appreciate it very much. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.